We have a 2022 Mazda CX-5 GX all-wheel drive, 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission in a white color. Let's take a look inside. Coming inside with a nice armrest, power lock tuners and mirrors, black cloth upholstery all throughout. Let's hop inside. Air vent on the left-hand side. Lane keep assist, digital gauge, cluster dimming controls. Left-hand side steering wheel, lever, audio, radio, and Bluetooth functions. Automatic headlights, adaptive cruise control functions, and your auto rain wipers for the front and manual rear wipers for the back. Coming to the information or infotainment screen. Great fuel efficiency and vehicle status monitor. Wants to focus here. Source list. FM, AM, Pandora, Bluetooth, as well as a couple of USB inputs. Communication, if you want to connect a phone via Bluetooth, you can, and if you do, you'll have access to your contacts, text messages, Mazda roadside dial pad, and other communication settings. Navigation, no nav card added as of now, but you can get it added as an accessory. Just talk to your sales rep if that does interest you at all. And our settings, first thing is our in-vehicle displays. You can adjust your brightness to have day and night mode, contrast, all that kind of fun stuff. Sound settings, sound adjustment mode, your bass, treble, listening position, fader, balance, automatic level control. Safety settings, got our safety alerts, distance recognition support system, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, active safety, have our lane keep assist, as well as our collision avoidance. We have our smart city brake support. Air vents, hazard lights, start stop engine button, heated seats for driver and passenger, your climate control functions, your fan controls, front and rear defrost, backup camera, auto holds, electronic park brake, volume rocker, use this to control everything on the infotainment, 2 cup holders, center console with USB input, 12-volt SD card insert, power tilt side sunroof, interior lighting options, rear view mirror. Let's head outside. The front have a LED headlights, engine block heaters, and steel. Very AWD vents, stay matching door handles and mirrors, got rear tinted windows. Keep making our way around the back. C5 all-wheel drive back to the left. Badge. We've got the trunk. 40/20/40 split for the rear seats. Also built up your spare tires. So take a look at the back seats now. In the back seats have a nice armrest, power windows, tons of legroom and headroom, the same pop-up door for you to have. Then wrap it up with 2022 Mazda CX-5 GX all-wheel drive.